So, hello, beautiful people. Hello, foxes. Welcome to Zero Fox Given Mondays. I am one of your hosts, Tina.
I'm Darlene or Bubbles.
I am Zai.
So, welcome.
Zai from the deck.
Yes, so true. You're really from the deck. So, yes, today is all about there's a lot of happy go lucky. So, happy go lucky. So, why happy go lucky? Bakit nga pala?
Yes, why?
Why
What's
nga?
your mom?
What's up? So it's happy go lucky because this month is we're celebrating within the the month of March. This March 20th, we are all celebrating the World Happy Day. So I know naman that happiness is something that you enjoy, you something that you choose daily. It's not just once a year you get happy, but what if we just celebrate happy? So it's like a yearly reminder for all of us to get into the space of happy and to remind each other what are the tools to get happy. And that's why we call it a lot of happy go lucky. So bakit siya lucky? Hindi siya lucky may napansit canton na favorite ng lahat. So it's not the lucky that part. It's the lucky that goes with St. Patrick's Day, where they celebrate luck and all of the good things, the four-leaf clovers and all the leprechauns, rainbows, and gold. So yun yung mga symbols ng St. Patrick Day. So yeah, hindi tayo Irish, but we can be Irish after a few beers. So yeah, that's it. So it's a lot of happy-go-lucky. So today, our question is, charot, question for the panel, Mashak. Dapat sinindin sa na po akong tabogon. Oh my God. So, our question is, what's your happy-go-lucky today story? O, yan lang. So, ano ba yung happy-go-lucky mo? So, it can be something about happy, it can be something about luck.
You go first.
Me?
See, Darlene first. All right.
Okay. Bubbles first. The question was thank you for that question. Contestant Bubbles answer. Ate Christine, you're so funny. Wait, the question was, what is my happy-go-lucky for today? It's actually starting to actualize ideas and acknowledging them by actually talking about it and not just in my head. So also my happy-go-lucky is answering my pre-hot seat questions and sending them back as soon as I can, which has actually contributed to me today a lot because also started sketching today, which I don't do anymore, which I stopped doing for a while. And acknowledging my hoarding of art materials. I have a lot of art materials and naka-segregate na sila. And ako na dyan siyang gitapad, as in naka-set up akong isel o ako ang sa akong tapad. So that wala na ko excuse na ay kapoy mag-put up. So kamao na akong happy-go-lucky. And sa baba. And connecting with friends. Although di ko makaadto sa ilaha tonight. So, a lot of the friends are getting married. So, sabay-sabay sila. So, sige, matuloy na yan. And so, that's my happy-go-lucky. A lot of invites to weddings and to celebrations. Like, sa relatives, we have around 2 for April. Baby showers, so it's a happy-go-lucky. Everyone's celebrating something in March and in April, so a lot of things are being booked in those days. So that's a happy. It's not just today, I think. uh, uh, and yeah, being here is my happy-go-lucky, and and yeah, I think it's a lot. It's a lot, but it's not maalat. It's a lot. I'm joking. And understand it's not, yeah. Because then, ay, tama din, nag-post ko sa TikTok. Oh, wala na ako gidelete wala na. Hindi ko na gidelete.
Guys, wait lang, mag-like ko dayon kay basig.
Ay, di na ako ingon ako sa akong self. I'm doing this for myself, not for anybody else. So that's my happy-go-lucky. So, yeah. So yeah, posting for the fun of it. And also encouragement for me to actually start painting and sketching. So that's my project. Happy go lucky. I didn't realize nag-start the eco project today, but everything started. Ay, tama. Don't say it to mama. I don't think she's watching. But you know, at least then I bought a 30-day call with Saskia. Going beyond distractors, I think. Beyond distractors.
Dayon gid na dahil ganahan gid ko na approve gid na sa kuha.
Oh, 30 days siya, tapos nakichat man siya. Hindi man sa na-pressure ko, pero di man ko basa-basa pod ma-attract og class when I really don't require it or like it. So, yeah. So, what else is possible? Yeah. So, yeah. Na si mama.
No, mom's not yet watching. But maybe she will watch the replay. So, Mama, if you're watching the replay, thank you so much. Muchas gracias.
Eh.
Todas sintomas. Charot sintomas.
Si, usa si Thomas. Symptoms? Crazy symptoms?
Yes, todos sintomas. Mucho rápido.
Much.
Very fast.
Yan.
So anyway, so nag-learn po the Spanish si Fanny karon. So thank you, darling, for sharing your happy-go-lucky story. There's a lot of wins for you on your end, and for all our viewers right now, they're also very happy. Hello to Ate Jenny, Dawn, Aurora, Fanny, DXN Valenzuela, Carla, Tuan, sino pa?
Ano, Tita Jenny, Tita Regina, Tita
Jenny,
Hannah.
Hannah, there you go. And Ate Regina Talamor. And of course, the Chans who are watching from the deck. Ano to? Que más es posible? Ayun.
What else is possible?
Que más es posible? And we all have now the Crown Ambassador of Latin America, Senor Rafael Diaz. Hello. We are so honored to have the energies of a Crown Ambassador. So everybody, energy pull. For that, return to happy-go-lucky.
Muy bien. What's muy bien? Muy bien, Embajador Corona Rafael.
Very good. Very good. Muy bien. Buenas noches. Pilipinas. Charot. So, yes. Ako na. Arriba. Okay. It's my turn. Is it my turn yet?
Yes, your turn.
Yes, it's my turn. My happy-go-lucky. My happy-go-lucky for today. Wait lang. A lot, you know. Today I listened to so many podcasts, and it was fun. That one, and what else? So I prepared pancakes for Dwayne earlier. So happy siya. And yeah, a lot. You know, every day is so wonderful, and suddenly, charot lang. So, yeah. The first one is the podcast, especially with Lauren Marie. So, yeah, lingaw iyahang podcast, and of course, Tina's post about X-Men, and then same ang topic din ni Zach Bush kanina because it's part 2 na siya sa kanyang call about autism parenting. So, sumpay siya sa X-Men na topic nila Tina. Like, autism is a superpower. So, yeah, it's wonderful. It's a happy day. You know, as a parent, it's hearing it from Dr. Zach Bush. Kanang nakaka-touch. Caught myself crying. Charot. It was a happy cry. So yeah, yeah, and I'd love to I'd love to talk about it with parents as well. So yeah, I'm looking forward to X-Men Plus soon. What would it take? Yes, and that one. And so far, that's it for today. It was also mentioned in that podcast that what we've been doing with Maggie, kanang gawa siya dito, and it's very healthy. It's very helpful for children with autism to just allow them to be. And I'm really, really, really grateful for all the tools that we have in Access and Sunya. It really helped me a lot to just let Maggie be. What else is possible? It's really a happy Monday for us. Mo lang to for now.
Wow, thank you so much, January, for having that. And actually, yun nga, what was explained in the X-Men class was that sometimes we think we're labeled, but sometimes you are actually not your labels. It's just that the medical construct has a limitation on what, on certain things. Like they cannot understand it, so they try to box you. And but then there are people who are also labeled but are actually, basta sa mga those kind of things. And but we know, and as the parent, and so beautiful to have Maggie chose you as awesome parents. So beautiful. And yeah, the community that we have, the titos and the titas around, just allowing, and that space of allowance is actually a wonderful ground for her to really expand and not contract. So yun. So which is what we are doing in our spaces in the Fox Tribe. So not just children, we're also doing it with the adults around us who may not be diagnosed but actually have these tricks. So yon. So thank you, Shenyer, for really inspired with your wins and awesome shares. And thank you for always sharing your mga podcasts that you're listening to. And yes, what else is possible? Or que más es posible? Or ang sabi pa ni Fanny dito, ¿cómo se pone mejor que esto? How does it get any better than this? And hello to Salwa, Tita Jerry Alianza, and Vanessa Resede. McClear.
Ate Vanessa,
Pandan.
yeah, sa Sugar Bay.
And yes, we would like to honor and acknowledge Vanessa for really playing with us. For really playing with us last Friday, with all our content about coffee. So yeah,
And here on TikTok
coffee
already again.
and reviving all the TikTok accounts. Lahat ng mga natutulog na TikTok accounts, nagising po. And we're all most of us are playing in TikTok. So it's just something that, wala lang. Nahuli man sa, there's always no last, but mo man nilang ginaingon, the first shall be the last and the last shall be the first. Charot. So wala lang, ginagasabok lang ko. So thank you for sharing your happy. And Tita Regina, yes, happy na inspired ako. Salamat, ladies. Yes. Thank you, Tita Regina. And yes, what else is possible? So yeah, those are beautiful, happy-go-lucky stories. And
your turn.
yeah.
It's your turn now.
Ay, my turn.
Yes, so I'll ask you, what's your happy-go-lucky story today?
Oh yeah, so my happy-go-lucky story today is posting TikTok. Guys, so na ako yung nakita na video ni Lady Bam in TikTok na Kada uli TikTok, kada uli TikTok. Nakarelate na gid ko guys. Sa kada uli TikTok. Tapos basta watch Lady Bomb's TikTok. It's really also fun. We're actually just playing and seeing what we could create in TikTok, and at the same time being able to plot out the week for the Fox Tribe. Kasi dati we have a month long. Ang February na plot agad natin, but March is like it's a progressive energy. It's like, whatever shows up. So yung mga calls natin is not monthly plotted for March, because the energy of March is kind of okay, just whatever happens, whatever shows up. Ano yan, Zai? I think Zai
The
has something.
energy of March is marching on.
Yes, marching on and moving forward. Ayan. So kung yung mga hindi pa naka-forward, alis na kayo sa tinatambayan yung emotes. Charot lang. Although some people will want to stay in their sadness, and that's still okay. We honor and respect you in that space. So yeah, but happy-go-lucky ang space namin. So yun, dito tayo sa happy-go-lucky. So ano pa ba? What else? Ano pa ba mga wins?
Your the win, the reward from ambassador.
So naabot na akong reward from Embassy of China, and it's Huawei, charot lang. Huawei shirt, charot lang. Dili, t-shirt siya, t-shirt with, ano nga yun, Darl? Notebook, ayun.
Cute
So,
na, planner.
Oh, it's like a little planner. And so, I was just so happy na, oh my gosh, kanang simple things, and kanang being able to receive from all directions, and I really wanted to, be, gusto ganun manggugug China. So, di ba, nakadaog kog something from Chinese ambassador. So, what else is possible? So, yun lang. Kanang it's one of the ways that what we ask is showing up. So, a beautiful question now is what asks are showing up for you right now as well that is making you happy? Ano yung mga nag-show up, but of course, sometimes it doesn't show up the way you would like it, the way you expect it. So, some of us, like for me, I would like, parang siguro visa, mga ano-ana, pero 'di ba? Syempre wala man ko nag-apply og visa, so wala gyud visa mahitabo. Diba? So impossible. Dili na siya. Dili na siya kuan. So again, when we ask something, also, dili na siya. You also do something. What can I choose today that could bring me closer to my ask also? Kasi yeah, it's an active receiving thing, not just something that, you wait on and not move. Nalampog ko diri, and then not answering the calls when it's required. So yun. So another happy is mo to siya. Yeah, graduating from X-Men 2-day class. So yun. So much fun, and we had joy, we had fun, we had
DXN Under the Sun.
and under the sun.
By Kuya Wewe.
So, yun. So, by Wewe. So, ano siya? And, yeah, and many upcoming na mga ideas. We will just explore it with you guys, and mga bagong creates by the Fox Tribe. So, yun. Thank you.
Also, I'd like to add about the ask. Yeah, keep on be the question. Be in the
Yes,
question.
Shanur.
Can you heard me? Can you heard me?
I can hear you loud and clear. Ate is frozen again. She's like,
Okay. So she's Elsa again.
yeah.
Okay. Yeah, so be the question. It really helped us. It's been a year since the pandemic, or the pandemic started, and to be honest, the questions actually helped me and you, right? So it really, the questions helped us to be here today, to contribute more. So yeah, and if ever parang natupad na yung mga gi-ask nyo, just I listened to the podcast of Lauren Marie earlier, and it had also been shared by Miss Junaline. Like, up your ass. Don't stop asking questions. Just keep on setting targets, because target is like, when you set a target, it's moving. It keeps on moving. It doesn't lock you up like the goal does. So yeah, up your ass every time. Don't stop. Don't stop believing. And also, the wonderful question that I asked earlier in my IG story without Ligo, it really inspired me, from the joy of business. What would you choose today if you knew you couldn't fail? I really love that. Yeah, so there you go. And those are part of my happy, parts of my happy, part of my happy, yeah, whatever. And Tina, you're just a picture.
And
Where are you?
And I'd also just like to add, na-remember na ko from one of the videos by sa Neon Ship Lounge, Evan, Emily Russell's, she actually said to acknowledge, well, to acknowledge everything that comes, whether it's big or small, even if it's being enchanted by a flower or something, yes, anything, and put it in a notebook. She has that. I think that's the exercise she was talking about, and maybe the diary of magic. Yeah, so yeah. So the a diary of magic does not only contain like spells. For me, I think, okay, now I think questions are spells. Because they allow for things to show up. So what else is possible? Yeah. So yeah, Ate, where are you now?
I'm
And
here.
yeah, you're here.
Scared if I turn on my camera, I'm gonna be frozen again.
Okay. So
It's okay.
would you
So,
like
yeah,
reply sa Tita Jenny?
Yes,
Okay.
please read the Jenny's post.
So I asked, what's your happy-go-lucky stories today? And she replied by Tita Jenny Nalia, it's my HGLS today. Oh my God, no. Wait, I'm gone. I died. Nawalang, nawalang comments. At least hindi ako makita. It's gone. Exit. I got no. I
And
don't
also,
know.
people cannot view the page.
Oh, did we crash?
Yeah, I think the cash landed on us.
Woo! What else is possible? Como,
So I think I read at the Jenny's post earlier. So dili na ko siya memorize, but her happy-go-lucky story is being able to contribute this Thursday sa ating Tea Time Thursday, which is gonna be a story about a love affair, about the second chance, about recycling. So sa Tea Time Thursday natin yan siya ma-encounter. So we are also inviting you, but later we will also have a formal invitation. So yan. But I cannot really see the ano ngayon, the comments.
and also though, it's almost recycling day, or it's the exact day?
Yeah, I think the exact day.
Oh wow, what is this possible? So on Thursday, it's also recycling day. Yay!
Hey, awesome. So lovely shares.
Yay, yay, yay.
Go Zai.
we love recycling.
Yeah.
And Jenny is the queen of that. So we're queen of recycle.
Yes. Yes, so true. Hello, Ateria, and hello, Jabez. They're all here.
So
And
there you go. And what else is possible, Norlai? Any comments? How many viewers do we have?
we
How
have
many millions of viewers?
10 million.
That is possible. Actually, we picked 13, I think, or something earlier.
13 million. Wow.
Earlier.
Or 16.
Oh yes. Okay.
So yan. So that's all the happy. I hope I don't disappear in a moment. So those are all our happy-go-lucky stories, and today is a reminder of celebrating you. What if today you just celebrate your happy, celebrate luck? And we're not saying luck, a lot I see so much hatred with luck. Like, I mean, there's so much heavy energy in luck in some people, and they hate luck. And it's like, what if luck is all about you receiving? And receiving is just so easy, and people cannot receive the ease. So that's why they hate luck, and they prefer the work that comes from it. And we're not saying work is bad or wrong. When we say how do we get so lucky, we're just acknowledging the way we are receiving. And that's how we receive. We don't know how it happened. It's like, for example, when I became the top fan, it wasn't because I was working hard. It was like, how did I get so lucky? It was something that I was willing to receive, and it arrived. And it's pretty much, why is it ano? It's because maybe because you're open to receiving that. So, like, for example, if there is rain and your container is closed, of course no water will come in. So luck, what if luck is about taking the cover of your container and being able to receive that rain or that blessing or that whatever that you're asking for, no matter how it shows up. So maybe it's not a rain that will bring that on your open container, maybe a bird na nahulog niya, or a plane or something. So that's how luck is. We don't know how it works, but it happens. And what if you are willing to receive from that, from that? And we're not discounting the hard work. Many people like to receive that way. We're just giving you a different possibility as well. What if you could also receive with ease? So yun lang yung, that's why we're saying happy go lucky, because when you're happy, things go your way. I mean, when you're happy and you know it, clap your hands, di ba? And money follows joy. Yes. And when you're happy, when you're in a joyful state, money just says hello to you. It falls in your lap. Charot lang. It really knocks on your door. You just have to open. Money will call you. You just have to pick up the phone. Okay. So you also do the necessary thing to receive it as well. So yun lang yun. We're just reminding everybody. So enjoy the luck. What if luck is actually a superpower that you could receive from and not make it?
Oh, jeez.
So, ayun siya. Sa umaga basurera, sa gabi ay bonggang-bongga. Ayan, sabi ni Ate Jenny. Ayun. So, yeah, let's do you have any announcements, Junior, aside from the calls that will be upcoming? Meron akong upcoming calls na i-share, pero maybe you have other stuff.
Yes, we have. Yes, later tonight at 11 p.m., Miss Junaline is back with the Global Energy Pool. So she has a Facebook group page for that Global Energy Pool, and the topic will be, or it will be like focused on potency. So there, potency later at Global Energy Pools, 11 p.m. And what else is possible? There, we have upcoming classes. So that zero fucks given Monday tonight at 8 p.m. This is it. This is what we're doing. And
What, me? Okay. So it's
Wala na po na ako na-edit, so sorry about the no get happy. There is a get.
oh, okay. So there's a Get Happy Unicorn on Wednesdays. It's usually on Wednesdays, 3 p.m. This week we have Get Happy Unicorn. So hindi lang po na-edit. So it's 3 p.m. again and it's on Zoom. It's on Zoom, not an FB Live.
Yes, and Fun-Filled Freedom Nights tomorrow, March 16th. No, not tomorrow. On Wednesday. Tomorrow is Tuesday. It's Tuesday. We choose to rest day. So March 17th, Fun-Filled Freedom Nights with Crown Ambassador Nice Walto. That's 8 p.m. If you'd like to join, come and DM us.
And we have a second chance. Should give it another try. It's the Second Chance, A Love Affair with Recycling by Miss Jenny Nalia. And it's 3 p.m. Thursday, Tea Time Thursday. And it's a Zoom call. Just message us if you want the link. Or check out the GCs you are part of, because we'll post the links there. So yeah, what contribution can our upcycling be to us and the world?
Yes, what contribution can our upcycling be? Okay, thank you so much for that, darling. And on Thursday, we have a symphony group taster, The Unbelievable Ease with Ryan T. So this is a paid entertainment channel. This is a paid class. Is it a class? It's a paid
Energetic symphony thing.
Yeah. So yeah, all you have to do is just be and lie down, be and receive the energy. So there, that is at 10 p.m. in the Philippines. It's just 3,333 pesos. For registration, just send us a message.
Or if you have PayPal, it's only $65.
Yes, if you have PayPal.
Yeah, and I would just like to honor and acknowledge the poster. It's so pretty. It's actually an invitation on itself. Unbelievable East poster. I'm honoring and acknowledging the team of Mr. Ryan T for having awesome posters, and Miss Pera and Miss Tina. And yes, we have a Sugar Babes where this one is very fluid, this call. So we don't know if we have something on Friday, but usually it's on Friday, 8 p.m. It's supposed to be 8 p.m., but it depends. So yeah, just check out our FB Live for pop-up things, and that's the Sugar Babes. You cannot control.
It's very fluid indeed. Yes, and on Saturday, we have Mystic Angels Hippie Market, wherein we do sunya. We offer sunya at 10 a.m. or anytime that you'd like to join. And then we sell crystals, books, shirts, free loves, apparels, food, angel reading sessions, access bar sessions, and many more. So yes, we open at 10 a.m. and we close at 5 p.m. So Mystic Angels Hippie Market every Saturday.
It's the gift of Glow Up. How do we get so lucky? We get to experience the Jumpy reset without having to own it at the moment. So you can actually gift a session to anybody you'd like or to yourself. So it's just for 555 pesos. And this session actually already includes a Sunya session, and the Access Bar Taster, which lasts for around 30 minutes, and the Glow Up itself, the Glow Up session itself. So yes, book us book a slot.
Bukas na walang hanggan. Charot. So book a session. And of course, ang ating paborito, how much are you willing to receive? An intro to money isn't the problem, you are. So pang ilan na ba natin ito, Christina Marie? Pang ilan mo na ito? So yes, this is the most awaited call every time. It will be on Sunday, March 21st, 2021, 1 to 4 p.m. And the investment for this one is just 2,000 pesos. Wow. How did you get so lucky? It's just 2,000 pesos. 1 to 4 p.m. Sunday, March 21st. How much are you willing to receive?
And yes, how did we get so lucky? Another call by Miss Tina Suazo, our certified effing coworker. It's an Access Bars intro class. So this one is in person. It's not live, right? Yeah. It's not online, I mean.
Not online.
Not online. This is a 3-hour intro class, and it's on March 25, a Thursday, 9:30 to 12 noon at the Kunlun or at the DXN Service Center in Legazpi. And it's for a fee of 1,000 pesos. How did we get so lucky? And saan naabot ang 1,000 mo? It could probably change your life. So if you don't want to, then don't. It's such an easy thing. choose, choose, choose.
So if you want to be normal, don't.
Stick.
Okay, and next week on March 25th, 2021, our Foxibilities is open house. So it's a social hour from 1 p.m. on Thursday, March 25th. That's next week. So you can send us a message to reserve a slot. All right? And yes, for Foxes, invite your friends, invite your downlines, your whoever you'd like to invite. Just send us a message first. Thank you.
Yay! How did we get so lucky again? After the Access Bars intro, we get an Access Bar certification class. So what does this mean? It means that you can actually become an Access Bars practitioner and consider this another skill. So you can practice this in 180 countries when we're allowed to actually travel. And it's on March 27, the Access Bar certification class. This is for a fee, and this is done in person. It is much if you have kids with you, children ages 1 to 13 are actually free, but yeah, they are free. And they just pay for their manual. I think that's the rules there. And it's on from 9:30 to 5 p.m. It's a 1-day class on March 27, 2021. So see you there.
And yes, thank you so much for that. Woo! Yes, if you'd like to join or if you'd like to be a certified Access Bars facilitator, it's really a good invitation for you. And every Sunday we have Sunya Sundays at 9:30 a.m. live via Fox Tribe. So if you have people you'd like to invite to practice Sunya, so maybe you can invite them every Sunday 9:30 a.m. to sit with us in zero. Oh, I see my face.
See our face now. Wow, you're invited to sit with us. We are not mean girls. No, we don't say you cannot sit with us.
But you will ask, are you one of us?
Yes, but I will ask, are you one of us? So thank you so much, Bubbles, Darlai, and Mama Zai. Mama Zai ka og katawa. Og mamazay ka og kaon sa iyahang mga gipang loto. Ayan. So, yes. So, thank you so much for all those beautiful invitations. Again, we're just here. The Fox Tribe is here to contribute to you. And if you'd like a one-on-one session with either of us, we can do sessions for you. Wow. You can also book us. Pwede mo kaming i-book. Zai can do Access Bars. She's a certified Access Bars practitioner. And she can contribute to you. Pag magpunta ka sa kanilang bahay, may food din, i-order mo na in advance so that when you go have a session there, at least you have food also. And then she also does beads, crafts, and all of that. And she's also an angel reader, angel guidance reader. She can do tarot and all of that. And yes, she serves the XN coffee and tea. So kung gusto mo mga pe, if you're somewhere in the deck, you can just drop by and order your coffee and tea. So she has her house open for you. So yon. And of course, Darlene is a certified life coach as well. She just graduated. Congratulations from the Go Coach program of coaches Gina and Coach Russ Huson. So she's a certified coach. And yeah, for now, she's charging now. Sorry, tapos na ang kanyang trial period. Wala nang trial version, guys. She's gonna charge. So, yes, at the same time, she's also an Access Bars practitioner. And yes, what else is possible? And ano pa ba? Soon to be Access Bars Pasi. And yeah, soon to be also, I think she will enroll in Mother Peace class. No, sa
No.
how did I know? Because I know. I
You know.
in your head or in your head.
My antenna, yes.
Huh?
Nasa akong antenna.
Oh yeah, you're broadcasting it and I'm just, getting the information. So yon, and a lot of things. So hala guys, ayaw gid mo pag adto sa utobakan kay makita na ko yung secret. So charot lang. So anyway, amo to siya. Thank you so much for being and staying with us for the whole 30 minutes of the Zero Fox Given. We honor and acknowledge you. Thank you for contributing your beautiful energies with us. We receive you. Thank you for being in our calls. I get your happy on last Sunday. Thank you kaayo. It was on a whim and on a whim ang pag-choose na mo to gift it to you. So it's the gift of the Fox Tribe, not just me. It's the gift of the Fox Tribe. It was a teamwork. It wasn't, something that is unsana. And yeah, it's something that, yeah, what else can we create for the Philippines and the world? So yon, and what if it starts with you? So what future are you bringing? So diba, sa pusago na lang. Unsa to, Darren?
What future are you bringing into actualizing the future, the
Yes.
vision?
So true. What if you're just frustrated because you cannot translate into words the future you are actually here to create with, okay? So mauna frustrate mo. Oh, so i-create na lang gid na inyong frustration. That the way I do it, I'm also like that before. So kanang dali ko mairita and all of that, and I get whatever in my life, in my world. But now it's like, bahala. When you're creating, you cannot notice your frustrations anymore. You just sabog your energy in your creations, and that sabog your energy in creations makes you more money, diba? So what else is possible? So thank you everybody. Nagtabi na kog daghan. So sa class na lang ta magkita.
Oh
My mouth is unstoppable.
Yes, we can talk a lot about anong nag-oros-oros nga emotion and then creating.
Tawa tayo, guys. Let's all take a deep breath. Inhale and expand your shoulders. Expand your rib cage and allow the space to dominate
Release your back.
your back. How do you release that?
No,
Your spine.
the spine.
Release your spine and confinement. So, what are you holding, no? So, yun lang. So, salamat kayo, guys. Shie. And see you soon. And yeah. Ano man to sa Raya, oh?
Raya? Wala kita.
Ano na? Lingin. Yan ang lingin ng
Ano
ano.
yun? TikTok.
Ano na lang, para TikTok. Oh. Baya kayo. Ano ba? Good morning! Like, buha ko, tama na. Sige, bye-bye, guys!
So this has been Zai.
I am Tina!
I'm Darlene Arbabos, and this has been your Zero Fox Given Mondays.
Bye.
Bye!